A sudden wave of hidden upgrades is quietly rolling toward Galaxy users, and it's far bigger than anyone expected. Every new leak hints at Samsung reshaping the way your phone protects itself, manages apps, and stays fast without you lifting a finger. And now that the most revealing internal builds have surfaced, it's finally clear One UI 8.5 is not just polishing old tools. It's introducing a new level of control we've never had before. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Let's jump right in because the freshest screenshots spilling out of Samsung's test servers just changed everything. A completely redesigned Smart Manager Hub has appeared, and this isn't the same old device care with a new coat of paint. This version acts like a command center that shows issues, fixes them instantly, and gives you an at-a-glance health report for your battery, storage, memory, apps, performance, and system security. But the moment you scroll down, things get even more interesting. Samsung has tucked in long-requested features the community has been begging for, including a proper built-in app lock that lets you lock apps with a pattern, PIN, or password. And once biometrics are set up, you can unlock protected apps with your face or fingerprint. Early testers say it feels smoother than the workaround apps users currently rely on, hinting that Samsung may finally make this global, not limited to regional builds. But the story doesn't stop at locking apps. The new App Tools area reveals even deeper controls, background data switches, performance boosters, app-by-app restrictions, reinstalling preloaded apps, compatibility fixes, and even a restored app state option that lets you reopen certain apps exactly where they crashed or closed. It won't work with everything just yet, but seeing it return is a promising sign of where Samsung is heading. Scrolling through the leaked interface shows another pattern, a push toward more transparency. Storage now breaks down everything: junk files, install leftovers, app data, images, videos, audio, downloads, documents, themes, and even trash from the gallery. It's way more detailed than the current layout, and with new toggles like adaptive battery tuning, extended standby protection, and a keep active feature for apps you don't want throttled. Samsung is basically handing you finer control over battery behavior that used to be hidden behind the scenes. But here's where it gets fun. The UI still feels unfinished. Several menus look scattered, almost like Samsung is testing layouts before choosing the final design. That usually means one thing: the beta is close, and the timeline supports that. Internal builds for the Galaxy S25 have shifted again, moving from CYKBB to CYKD, a sign that Samsung is locking down performance tuning before the public beta begins. Sources now say the beta should arrive late November or December for the S25 series, while the full, stable version will ship pre-installed with the Galaxy S26 lineup in January 2026. That early access window is going to be huge because One UI 8.5 clearly focuses on smarter automation, more powerful privacy controls, and tighter performance management. And the App Lock Edition puts Samsung in line with modern privacy standards, similar to how iOS now hides and relocks apps instantly on the home screen. Whether Samsung takes it that far globally is the real question, and honestly, if they do, it will be one of the most requested features finally delivered. As always, I'll be covering every new leak, every new build, and every hidden feature as soon as it drops. If you're excited for One UI 8.5 or hoping Samsung finally brings App Lock worldwide, drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.